When you judge others, you do not define them. You define yourself. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. Your world is a living expression of how you were using and have used your mind. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish it with repetition and emotion will one day become reality. We are all self-made, but only the successful will admit it. You are now, and you do become what you think about. Our attitude towards life determines life's attitude towards us. Wherever there is danger, there lurks opportunity. Wherever there is opportunity, there lurks danger. The two are inseparable. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or idea. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. Every one of us is the sum total of his own thoughts. People who have goals succeed because they know where they're going. It's that simple. A person who does not read is no better than one who cannot read. No man can get rich himself unless he enriches others. We tend to live up to our expectations. Problems are challenges to creative minds. Without problems, there would be little reason to think at all. The more intensely we feel about an idea or a goal, the more assuredly the idea buried deep in our subconscious will direct us along the path to its fulfillment. The opposite of courage in our society is not cowardice, it's conformity. Everything begins with an idea. You become what you think about. Success is not the result of making money. Making money is the result of success, and success is in direct proportion to our service.